Are you looking for the best survival tents? In this video we will look at some of the best survival tents on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Mountainsmith Morrison 2-Person. The Mountainsmith Morrison 2-Person tent is a versatile outdoor shelter designed to accommodate 2 individuals. Crafted from durable polyester material, this tent is engineered to withstand the rigors of various outdoor environments while providing a comfortable and secure sleeping space. Its lightweight yet sturdy construction makes it a popular choice for backpackers, hikers, and campers seeking a reliable shelter for their adventures. The tent's thoughtful design includes a 2-door, 2-vestibule layout, which offers convenience and ease of access for both occupants. This arrangement minimizes the need for crawling over one another and provides separate storage spaces for gear, ensuring an organized living area inside the tent. Catering to 2 occupants, the tent is optimized for a 2-person layout, striking a balance between space efficiency and comfortable accommodation. It's suitable for couples, friends, or solo campers who appreciate a bit more room for themselves or their gear. Number 2. AQUAQUEST Defender. The AQUAQUEST Defender stands as a pinnacle of quality and reliability in the realm of camping tops. With an established reputation dating back to its inception in 1994, AQUAQUEST (AQ) has consistently demonstrated a commitment to crafting camping tops of exceptional excellence. Each AQUAQUEST camping top is meticulously constructed using superior quality materials and precise fabrication techniques, ensuring a product that outdoor enthusiasts can trust to provide optimal shelter and protection. One of the standout features that sets the Defender apart is its unparalleled waterproofing capability. Renowned as the most waterproof camping top on the market, the Defender boasts a unique dual coating formula that results in an industry-leading waterproof rating of an astonishing 20,000 mm. This remarkable waterproofing ability ensures that even in the most challenging and extreme conditions, users remain comfortably dry. Rain, moisture, and adverse weather are no match for the Defender's formidable waterproof barrier. Number 3. Coleman Sundome Camping. The Coleman Sundome camping tent is a high-quality dome-style tent designed to provide a comfortable and convenient camping experience. Its notable feature is its sturdy frame, built to withstand winds of up to 35+ miles per hour, making it suitable for various outdoor environments. This tent stands out for its ease of setup, taking just 10 minutes to assemble, which is particularly advantageous for backpackers or those looking for a hassle-free camping experience. The tent incorporates Coleman's patented WeatherTech system, which includes welded floors and inverted seams. This system effectively prevents water from entering the tent, ensuring campers remain dry even in wet conditions. This feature enhances the tent's reliability and comfort, making it a dependable choice for various weather scenarios. In terms of ventilation, the Coleman Sundome camping tent offers excellent airflow through its design. It includes large windows and a ground vent that collectively contribute to superior ventilation within the tent. This helps to regulate temperature and prevent condensation buildup, creating a more comfortable interior environment. Number 4. Alps Mountaineering Zephyr. The Alps Mountaineering Zephyr tent is a reliable and user-friendly outdoor shelter designed for camping and backpacking adventures. Crafted with high-quality materials and thoughtful design elements, this tent offers a comfortable and convenient camping experience. Constructed with a sturdy aluminum frame, the Zephyr tent boasts a freestanding, 2-pole design that allows for easy setup without the frustration of complex assembly. The use of aluminum for the poles ensures durability while keeping the overall weight manageable for outdoor enthusiasts. The tent's body is made from durable polyester fabric, which not only resists water but also protects against UV damage. This feature ensures that the tent remains in good condition even when exposed to varying weather conditions. Additionally, the polyester tent fly includes 2 vestibules that provide extra storage space for gear, keeping the interior of the tent organized and clutter-free. Number 5. Kelty Backpacking Tents Dirt Motel. The Kelty Dirt Motel is a backpacking tent designed to offer comfort and convenience during outdoor adventures. Catering to 3-season use, this tent is particularly notable for its spacious interior, user-friendly design, and the ability to provide an unobstructed view of the surrounding wilderness. The tent's dimensions are 85 x 70 at its widest point, with a peak height of 43 inches. The interior space spans 39.6 square feet, providing ample room for occupants to move around and store their gear. The innovative design of the tent includes 2 vented vestibules that cover nearly 18 square feet of space, adding extra room for gear storage while helping to maintain a clutter-free interior. The tent's structural integrity is ensured by the use of compact DAC press-fit poles. The setup involves 2 hubbed poles and 1 ridge pole, which work together to create vertical walls. This unique configuration maximizes the overall living space within the tent, eliminating the traditional peak at the center and optimizing headroom.